you admit to each and every element of the offense of falsifying physical evidence and abuse of corpse. Is that
Yes.
Okay.
As we wait for court to start in day 2 of New Hampshire versus Adam Montgomery, let's just speculate on this. The role of Kayla Montgomery, both in the murder of Harmony and also in this trial. She's a proven liar. She perjured herself with the grand jury. We know that she took the stand and spoke actually quite eloquently in Adam's weapons trial a few months ago. And we know that he was found guilty of those charges. So despite her being a proven liar, despite her clearly having a role in what happened to Harmony, at least in not preventing what Adam might have done or telling about what Adam may have done, allegedly, we still do have a question here. What is this jury going to think about Kayla Montgomery? Because it's not quite like the weapons trial, is it? Where she didn't have a role. In this case, she actually does have a role. And here we go. Starting off, hold that thought. The judge has gone to get something. So, while we wait for the judge to come back, let's have a look to see if Adam is in court. Not yet. They're going to bring him in. Going to bring him in his shackles. So, is the defence going to blame Kayla Montgomery and that Adam covered up what Kayla did? Is that going to be the defence? That seems very likely, in my opinion. Going to come back to you once we've heard the defence opening statement.
A few moments later.
You were just left with that picture of Harmony, and seeing that picture is heartbreaking, knowing that Harmony is dead. But Adam Montgomery did not kill Harmony. Adam Montgomery did not beat Harmony in the head as he approached the Burger King drive-thru. Adam Montgomery did not cause Harmony's death. Kayla Montgomery was the last person to see Harmony alive and know how Harmony died. But she didn't come clean with Adam. She didn't come clean with the police. And she will not come clean with you.
Okay, so, as we speculated, they're going to put the whole blame on Kayla. And Kayla is a proven liar. She's an easy person to target. Listen, I'm not saying that Kayla is innocent here. I'm not. I'm really not. But how did Harmony die? How are they going to explain that?
November 27, 2019. A day before Thanksgiving. Adam, Kayla, Adam's daughter Harmony, toddler son Seamus, infant son Declan were evicted from their home on Guilford Street in Manchester. They began living out of their Chrysler Sebring. In the following week, when Adam was running around trying to make money to get them out of their situation, Kayla was left cooped up in that seemingly increasingly smaller by the minute car with a 5-year-old child, not her own, a 2-year-old toddler, and a less than 1-year infant, all of whom needed attention, all of whom needed to move around, and none of whom were doing well being cooped up in that car. And Kayla didn't do well either. Adam was off doing his own thing, and Kayla was stuck. Harmony's body was not discovered lifeless in the car at that busy intersection you saw yesterday. It was not discovered at that intersection in the middle of the day on December 7, 2019, as Kayla now claims. Both Adam and Kayla discovered Harmony's cold, lifeless body much earlier, in the dark of night, behind Colonial Village, when Adam returned from his business.
So they just found Harmony dead. I say again, how did she die? And there's no medical examiner that's going to come along and contradict whatever Adam might have said to his defence, or whatever Kayla might have said to the prosecution, because there is no body. Only one person knows what happened to that body. That's Adam Montgomery, because he's already admitted to the tampering with a dead body charges. But sadly, even if she was found today, there wouldn't be enough of her left for a medical examiner to be able to determine a cause of death, especially if you find a child dead and there's no explanation as to how they died. So this is a very good strategy, in my opinion, by the defence. It brings in a nice little nugget of reasonable doubt, doesn't it? I just hope that the prosecution don't regret doing a deal with the devil.